Hi, I'm Mike Oglesby, a technical marketing engineer here at NetApp, and I'm going to show you how to use the NetApp AI Control Plane to quickly provision a Jupyter Notebook workspace with access to a data volume that could potentially contain petabytes worth of data. So this is the Kubeflow dashboard here. This is when you log into Kubeflow, this is what you see. So if I click on notebook servers here, I get to a screen where I see my running workspaces. These are currently running. And I can click here to provision a new one. Basically, I just specify a name. I choose a Jupyter image. We'll choose this one. Specify my CPU and RAM requirements. Here's where I say that whether or not I want to use persistent storage for my workspace root directory or the user's home. It defaults to using persistent storage. And if you have NetApp Trident installed in your Kubernetes cluster and configured as the default storage class, you don't have to do anything here. You can just accept the defaults. In this, when I press launch down here, it's going to automatically call on Trident to provision a new NetApp volume to serve as my root workspace volume, and then Kubernetes is going to take care of running all the mount commands and everything for me in the container. I don't have to do anything. I just accept the defaults, and I have a NetApp volume, with all of the NetApp enterprise class data management and protection features that go along with it as my root workspace volume. Here I can specify data volumes that I want to show up as folders within my workspace. So I have an existing dataset volume in this namespace called Notebook Data Vol. For those of you who are Kubernetes experts, this is a PVC name that I'm specifying here. For those of you who aren't Kubernetes experts, ignore that. This is just the volume name. So I want to mount this notebook data vol volume in there. You'll see it automatically flipped over to existing. All I have to do is specify the name. Here I can request GPUs if I'm running on NVIDIA GPU accelerated infrastructure, but I don't have GPUs in this demo environment. So I'm just going to go ahead and click launch. You'll see that new workspace is up, and let me just jump into it real quick. There's our data volume. There's our root workspace volume. We didn't have to run any mount commands. We didn't need to know anything about storage. If I'm a data scientist, I can go new notebook and just get to work. It's that simple.